Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers and students, welcome to my channel, The Literary Gallery. And today, in speaking tips, our topic is complaining, talking about complaints. So, complaint is noun, complain is verb. Complain means shikayat karna, complaint means shikayat. So, noun और verb का फर्क है. To complain, that is very ordinary topic, common topic, and in day-to-day situation and routine, so many people have to make complaints against other people. We are here to discuss some different ways that how a complaint could be made, what are the examples, and what are the various responses of the complaint. So let's come to the topic complaining. Here are expressions you can use when complaining. For example, I have complaint to make. You can add anything. I will give you further sentences. This is only a phrase to start a complaint. Sorry to bother you, but your routine is not good. You can add anything like this. I'm sorry to say this, but this is not acceptable. Your attitude is not good. I'm afraid I've got a complaint about your late arrival. Anything could be added. I'm afraid there is a slight problem with this attitude, with this behavior, with this sort of thing. Excuse me, but there is a problem about I want to complain about your habit of coming late, thing like that. I'm angry about. No examples are completely written in sentences. For example, I have a complaint to make. Your pizza is just too salty. I'm sorry to say this, but your food is inedible. That cannot be eaten, you can say. I'm afraid I've got a complaint about your child. He's too noisy. I'm afraid there is slight problem with the service in this hotel. Excuse me, but you are standing on my foot. I want to complain about the noise you are making. So these are some sort of sentences as well. I'm angry about the way you treat me. So this is another way to make complaint. Know how to respond to complaints. Positive response are there, and even negative responses are there. I'm so sorry, but this will never occur. This will never happen again. I'm sorry. We promise never to make the same mistake again. I'm really sorry. Although this is enough to say I'm really sorry, but definitely you have to give some more words or sentence to add emphasis on your sorry. We'll do our utmost, we'll do our best not to do the same mistake again. Negative response to complaints. Sorry, there is nothing we can do about it. So if you make complaint against somebody and he said that he cannot do anything or he is not in the position to follow your instructions or he is not giving any weightage to your complaint, I'm afraid there isn't much we can do about it. We are sorry, but the food is just all right. If somebody says that your food cannot be eaten because it is not cooked in a good way or it is very old or thing like that, so you can say while complaint we are sorry but the food is just all right. तो अगर कोई बंदा नहीं मानेगा तो यही कहेगा नहीं फूड ठीक है आपकी कंप्लेंट गलत है. So these were some different sentences that can be used while making a complaint. So thank you very much for your watching. Allah Hafiz.